Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to today's video right here. Today we want to be talking about how to grow your YouTube channel. And if this is the first time you watch any of my videos right here, be sure to subscribe and also check out all the other awesome tutorials, awesome videos on my channel. And yeah, today we want to be talking about how to grow a YouTube channel. I will show you exactly how to do it. I will show you what not to do. I will show you basically the secret and the #1 formula that you have to really understand and know when it comes to growing a YouTube channel, and not all of this other BS information that's out there. Okay, so I will tell you that. Plus, I also promise you at the end of this video, I will show you a software that will automate the whole process. Not the whole process, of course, because you have to make videos, right? But it will automate a lot. It will help you so much. I will show you all of that. I will show you these two things right here, okay? Secret formula plus a software to really make everything happen, okay? So if that sounds good, be sure to already like the video and check it out right now. So first of all, guys, you might ask yourself the question, why does no one watch my YouTube videos? Why does no one find them? Why does no one see them? Why don't you get any views? And before we get into anything, any techniques, any formulas, any softwares or whatever, you gotta make sure that you got the #1 thing in order to actually be seen by a lot of people on youtube.com, okay? And it's not posting vlogs, it's not posting about your own life, it's not posting about whatever you want, but it's about what other people want, meaning the people who are on YouTube, aka the people who are going to youtube.com to search something and in order to find something, okay? So a lot of people forget that and they just go to YouTube. Got a lot of people in our Facebook group and stuff, people who ask me questions in my YouTube videos, my comment section and stuff, asking me why don't I get views, why don't I get any people seeing my video. So I go to their channel and I see they post daily vlogs and all kinds of stuff, right? But they're not famous yet, right? So it doesn't really make any sense, right, to post vlogs or any content really about you as a person unless you're super talented, unless you're backed by some big other YouTuber, for example, unless you're backed by an agency, by a network or something like this, right? If you're just going out there on your own, 100% yourself, and you're basically just a normal person and you post vlogs and stuff like this, the chances that you blow up and that you will get views at all anyway basically are like almost zero, okay? So to keep things short right here, the simple answer is you simply have to find what people are searching for. And you simply have to find what people are searching for and then make your videos shown for these specific keywords that people are searching for, right? And there's exactly 2 ways on how to do that. You can either pay YouTube in form of Google AdWords to make your video shown for specific keywords, which is not that recommended in my opinion, because first of all, obviously it costs money, and second of all, most people don't have money who start out, so that's kind of a pain in the ass. But you can still do it because if you understand the YouTube algorithm, if you know how to rank your videos, you can use what we call SEO, search engine optimization, in order to rank your video high for specific keywords, right? So what I mean with this is, as you can see right here on my channel right here, as you can see right here, I got 40,000 something subscribers. Thank you for that, by the way. But in order to make your videos shown for specific keywords, by the way, I can show you some example. For example, when you type in, just so you understand it, okay, how to make money on, you can already see these specific things right here. And these things that are popping up are the things that are searched for the most, right? So for example, if we take how to make money on Amazon, when we scroll down, you see my video on the first page right here, right? In this case, it's not even ranked that high. It's like ranked in the middle of the page right here. But I got keywords, for example, how to make money on Instagram, which is also a very searched thing right here. I'm on the second position right here, right? And actually, sometimes I'm on the first position, but it kind of varies. It dances. That's how we call it in SEO. It dances like positions and stuff, okay? Or how to make money on Facebook. Of course, it doesn't have to be how to make money, or it's just like, that's my niche, right? It's my industry that I'm in right here. So that's basically what it is. As you can see right here, my video right here, and I got a bunch of other videos ranked position 1. And by the way, most likely, I checked that in the analytics, most likely 90% or 80 or 90% of the people who are watching my videos and find my videos are coming from the actual search, right? Or recommended videos, okay? I made a video about that, how to be in the recommended section. I think like 2 or 3 videos back, or even a little bit longer ago. I don't know, just check it on my channel. I can also show you that, how to do that, okay? So, but yeah, how do you do that is real simple, okay? All you need to do is you need to do on-page SEO plus some off-page SEO, right? So for example, you need to, on-page SEO means in form of YouTube videos means perfect title, description, and tags, right? Ideally by reverse engineering the YouTube algorithm, right? The algorithm is how YouTube actually values your videos, and based on that, blah, 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 they developed an algorithm, and that's how they rank your YouTube videos. But you don't have to know any of these technical things right here, okay? You don't have to know any of these technical things. What I will show you right now is a software called Video Sniper Pro that you can easily use in order to rank your videos, right? So let's just jump straight into the software right here. So this is basically how the software looks, how the site looks. So it's simply just a site, right? What it can do, it can get you trending video suggestions. It can get you keyword suggestions. That's very, very, very important here, because the software, if you type in your niche and if you type in your keyword or whatever you want to make videos about, it will give you a list of different keywords, like for example, how to make money on blah, 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 or how to do this, how to do makeup tutorial, how to get rid of blah, 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 how to get a 6-pack. They will do that. The software will do that for you. It will give you a list of keywords based on how many people are searching for it, and what's the most valuable keyword, right? Like how many people searching for it, how much money can you make ranking for a video like this, how many views you can get, and stuff like this. It will analyze your competition, and yeah, most importantly, of course, it will generate video details, right? Auto-generate SEO optimized title, description, and tags for your video that you simply copy and paste and put it in there, right? And it's not as easy as some people make it out to be, and I will show you how to do this in a second and what's so special about the software, okay? And of course, it has a rank tracker, so you can keep track of your rankings on youtube.com. Okay, so this is how the software looks from within. Of course, I have the unlimited version right here. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, most people who know me, who know this channel, who already subscribed, they know we actually developed the software right here, our company, Extreme Social, or my company, I should say. We developed the software to help YouTubers, not just YouTubers really, but basically mostly people who want to make money online, to get themselves out there, just people who are trying to get themselves out there, artists, people who just really need to make a name for themselves and need to get their content out there, okay? So how the software works is, as I already said, we got a keyword section, video details. That's basically all you need really when it comes to YouTube, okay? So once you got that, because this video is about how to create, how to grow your channel, once you figure out what you want to make a video about, you simply log into Video Sniper Pro, you go to keywords, all right? You go to keywords, and then you just type in whatever thing you want to make a video about. So for example, let's say it's actually about making money online. You just type in making money online, and here you can see that the software just came up with 60 unique keywords for making money online, okay? And as you can see right here, it gives us making money online as a teenager, 2018, 2016, money fast. And these are basically the keywords that are, first of all, the most searched for, and second of all, the easiest, not the easiest, but the best to rank for in order to get the best quality traffic possible, right? And it also gives you like awesome keywords like 5 easiest way to make money online 2018 as a beginner with no money and stuff. That's a great keyword to rank, okay? So you get the idea, right? So this software helps you to come up with ideas to call your video specific, give your video a specific title in order for people to find you. And that's really so important, right? Because if I didn't rank for these videos right here, I wouldn't make any money, okay? Next thing you want to do is, once you picked a keyword right here, what you want to do is let's say you want to rank for making money online as a teenager right here. You just simply copy that keyword, put it in here, and do the same thing again. And then we optimize everything for this one particular keyword, because what happens is in the background, the software will create the perfect title, description, and tags that we can later on use in this video detailed section right here. Okay, so we click here, go to, there's our keyword right here. And that's creating the perfect title, description, and tags. Okay, so if you copy that, not everything of course, but you can choose right here. You should put your main keyword at least like 3 or maximum 4 times in the description. But if you use a few of these phrases in your description plus these tags right here, that's very important. A lot of people also do that wrong. Plus one of these kind of tags right here, you will 100% rank for these keywords. Okay, so that's basically how it's done, right? So there's a bunch of other features also right here in the software that obviously don't have time right now in this short free YouTube video right here to show you all of this stuff. If you want to learn more about this, I will for sure put like some free resource down there in the description, so be sure to just check this out. It will be in there. By the way, also don't forget to subscribe. That's it for this video right here. I hope you really enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, and yeah, sure, also leave a comment if you like the video, obviously. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.